Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday, the final few hours of Amazon Prime Day. You guys could take a look. Link is going to be down below where you could get a really good discount on one of these. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast free shipping, and you'll get this in no time. So hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we're about to see what this is on this Tuesday. Here we go. Let's see what we have here. Alright. This down here. And we have, ooh, nice. Let's see if you guys can see it. Oops. Here we go. We got the Sonic Toothbrush MC5 100 JZT. JZ? Oh boy. We got clean, sensitive, polishing massage. Sonic, nice packaging. Here's all the goodies in the back. Effective vibrations, high quality brush indicator. And if you guys need extra brushes, I would suggest to pick some up also, just in case. And custom cleaning modes, integrated 2-minute timer, lock function. Alright, so this is a nice one. Take on the road with you guys to travel. Instead of buying it, you'll have one automatically. Here we go. Let's see what this is. How does it look? How does it run? Come on. There we go. Almost got it. Gotta bear hug it. Hold on, let me grab this thing out for a sec. Bear with me. There's that thing going nuts. Ooh. Here we go. That's what it looks like out of the box. Pretty cool. Something's going on. Oh, that's why. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're back on. So that's what it is. This must be the charging dock. USB powered. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now, nice charging station right here. And USB powered right there. Simple plug-in into your USB source. I mean, we all got them from our cell phones, smartphones, tablets, gaming systems now, like the NES Minis. So everyone should have a USB. If not, click on Amazon, type it in, and pick one up for a low cost. Here we go. Ooh, this is a nice color. JZT. Clean, sensitive, polishing massage. That's where the tips go. Hopefully this is somewhat charged. I think I got a charging dock though, for you guys to see this thing in action at least. But I ain't gonna show myself on the video. See, look at this. Comes with a little travel pouch. That's always a good thing. See, it's ready for you to travel on your daily vlogs. Take it one extra to the gym with you. Leave that in your locker, your office. And like I said, it comes with two brushes. Bonus. The 2 brushes right there. And there's a bottom of the brush. Nice bristles. There you go. Bada boom, bada bing. And now we just plug it in. I'm not sure if it's gonna click or anything. I think I got in. Got in the right way. That's what sideways. Okay, zoom out. There we go. That's a lot better. So we got that. Power. I don't know, I gotta charge it. Boo. I'm gonna have to charge it for a sec. Unless I didn't put it on right. Yep. Alright, YouTubers, I'll be right back once it's charged up. Alright, this is what it looks like charging. See, it's completely dead. So definitely, I'll be right back after this brief timeout. And hopefully in about 20 minutes, I would assume, quick charge, that this will be ready to rock and roll. You guys could see this thing in action. But really cool. I could dig it, and you guys could get it at a low cost. Especially now, you guys got what, 11 hours or so to take advantage of Amazon Prime's Prime Day savings, and definitely add a couple to your list for stocking stuffers, because we got school coming up, fall semester, and also Christmas time. So definitely take advantage, and we'll see you guys in a second. Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back with the JZT Travel Sonic Toothbrush, and this is waterproof. It is IPX7. That is the level of waterproof. It is safe to use for children older than 8 years old. And here we go. Got it charged. You just gotta hold it. Once you get it, hold it for 5 seconds to unlock it. 2, 3, 4, 5, and it'll light up. And it's safe to charge on the dock. There you go. It's charging, but it is good enough to be shown now. See, there's a massage. Alright, let me put you guys right about there. Is good. See the action. Oh yeah, this is pretty powerful. And if we want to go next step, just gotta keep on pressing. There's clean. There is sensitive teeth. There is polishing. And back to massage. There you go. It said it's easy to use. Always grab an extra backup for yourself. And like I said, for your travel, your gym, your office, especially college dorms now, since school will be starting up pretty soon. So definitely, YouTubers, check it out. JZT on Amazon Prime. Take advantage of the Prime's Prime Day and get this shipped to you pretty fast. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good day, see ya.